Alright guys, so this is gonna be my first video. So it's my last day at work, and I need to find another job within let's say within the week. Okay, so ito i-vlog ko yung journey ko sa buhay starting today. They say that yung first video mo, well, di naman lahat, no, kasi other people, other new YouTubers, maganda yung ano nila, first video nila, talagang pinagplanuhan. Pero here I am, ang meron lang ako is decent the phone. This is a iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB. Binili ko to for this purpose, na mag-vlog talaga sa YouTube saka sa ibang social media platform. Tingnan natin kung may mangyayari. Actually, I don't want to disclose kung anong nangyari sa trabaho, but it's my last day at work, and nandito pa rin ako kasi magsusurrender ako ng ID. Dito tayo guys sa BGC. It's oras na ba? It's around almost 3 a.m. I'm just keeping my voice low kasi nga nasa pantry lang ako. And then tawag dito, mga ibang tao. So upload natin to sa YouTube. Let's see what happens. Samahan niyo ako sa journey ko na mag-apply ng bagong work. Ang goal ko talaga is maging rich. Ayoko kasing forever na hindi naman pwedeng forever na empleyado. So kailangan ko din mag-set up ng business. Actually, marami akong alam na business. Problema lang, it's either wala akong capital o wala akong masyadong alam sa business na yan. Alam ko yung business na may ganun, pero hindi ko alam, napakaunti ng knowledge ko sa type of business na yun. Pero marami akong gusto i-pursue. Halimbawa, digital marketing, mga ganun. Kaya ito pag YouTube. Ang balak ko sa YouTube channel na to is pure about daily life, buhay. So syempre habang tumatagal, meron na tayo, magkaka-travel vlogs na tayo, mukbang, gaming, naglalaro akong COD or Call of Duty Mobile. I would say isa din yun sa pinapurso ko, maging pro player doon. Well, pag nakikita ko, tingin ko magaling naman ako. Lalo na ngayon nakapag-invest ako sa magandang phone or gaming phone, which is iPhone. Tapos ayun, nag-shooting din ako guys, shooting range. Galing din ako doon. Although hindi ko syempre binablog yun. Yeah, for ano lang, for security purposes. Yan, nag-work lang ako sa corporate. 13 years na ako sa corporate, sa call center. It was fun. Marami na sa call center, pati yung current partner ko. Ito pa guys, excited ako. Excited din ako na na I'm trying to work out na makapag-abroad, especially Dubai. It's either Dubai or Australia or New Zealand, South Korea, Canada, Switzerland. Mag-ano ako for work. Abroad tayo for work. Siyempre pag medyo nakapag-ipon ako kumikita na sa other lines of businesses, online businesses, siyempre mag-upgrade tayo. Upgrade tayo. So, what I mean by that is siyempre buy properties, buy cars, buy gadgets, travel. Yeah. So try ko lang tong vlog na to kasi I just would like to represent yung ordinary na tao na galing sa wala. Hindi naman ako totally galing sa wala. I mean, I'm trying to represent na somebody na struggling sa buhay. Somebody na nag-struggle, na ilang years na nag-work pero wala pa rin napatunayan sa buhay. And somebody who made bad decisions, caring so much for people, spending time with the wrong people. Tama ko, I mean, magta-31 na ako. Pero wala pa rin akong bahay, coach lupa, wala rin akong lupa, or wala akong kahit anong assets. Just gonna represent somebody na in general public na ako. I represent somebody na tawag dito, yung somebody who is struggling in life, normal na call center agent, tapos made bad decisions along the way. Ayan. So let's see lang, let's see lang kung may manonood na ito. It doesn't really matter if you don't care, that's fine. Sa akin lang naman gusto ko lang mag-share. Wala nang masama ako mag-share. Ibang malalaking YouTuber nagsimula naman sa ganito. So this is gonna be my first vlog. I know it sucks. Wala man lang ka-edit. Sabi nila, your first vlog or anything you do at first will definitely suck. Pero di ba nga, you cannot get through it on your 100th time if you don't start with your first. Hindi mo pwede mapunta dun sa 100 or 1,000 video mo kung di ka nagsimula sa vlog number 1. Okay? By the way, my name is John, John. And yeah, I'm gonna start to share my life. And let's see what happens. Doesn't matter if you don't care. At least I tried. But I tried YouTube. Okay. Have a good day, guys.